This one is the blue raspberry mojito. Look at that. Look at the colors on this. This one's real cool. Okay, so we get some lime slices, drop them in. Come behind that with some mint leaves. Beautiful. Follow it up with some simple syrup. Muddle, 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 muddle. You don't want to overdo it. You want to go nice and light and get some raspberries in there. Okay, and you drop the raspberries throughout. Beautiful. Love it. Ice. Okay, now let's get down to the rest of the mix. What's missing? Rum. Follow with some rum. But our little twist. Okay, now we bringing in some raspberry vodka. Our little twist. Now we bringing in some soda water. But now you must remember that this was blue. How do we get it blue? That's right, my boy. Blue curacao. We put this in everything, okay? Trust me, I sprinkle this on my food every night. A little bit of blue curacao. Beautiful. So what you have this minty orange raspberry flavor going on in there. It's fun. Stay tipsy.